Yes, a free Monday, Elko ya, mechira 1st June, Elkon. O try so best send this card through Momo account. At the apart to bank account. To say, one connect you Momo to your bank. Me ma connect it. Until from Mondays, I may try some send this card free me Momo account. At the apart to my bank account. You bet me 0.75%. 0.75% no my main fambra and from the TNE. So me try some send 100 CDs. At the free me Momo account.
Abuza for mamu nyina makwaba Edbagana and Sem TV so. One more so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications. Say be next time videos of this nature about so submit my cabin so watch the or comment section for them. Say munim dan if Mr. President. Baby who be from Mr. President ameje oso. O text me Mr. President or comment section ameje oso. Who see am TikTok na pa Mr. President ameje oso sa. Koye de o baby agenda MPP. So the munim the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. We use Jan and the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party Amenyokuno. They are power 2028. Inshallah. Dr.Bawumia president. Now also the power by MBA so Selkebi. Na my kan yi you are John the money Mahama the book at Neze Ebu Idi. Ya many am for the Messiah Dr.Bawumia ma the NS assembly few. Now once again may catch a gun and Mabuni and I say Amanya 7 no. Eh daachinti na ya manyo se menye mprint ya manyo se de wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo se inti daachi bia no would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma utumi say fa bedi manfo nanim ya ma utumi say fa be ye wo yi it is all your software o ye ordinary Ghanaian we educationist, we medical doctor, we once I have more opportunity to serve public space. Do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I be a home bachelor.
Yes, a free Monday, Elko ya, mechira 1st June, Elkon. O try so best send this card through Momo account. At the apart to bank account. To say, one connect you Momo to your bank. Me ma connect it. Until from Mondays, I may try some send this card free me Momo account. At the apart to my bank account. You bet me 0.75%. 0.75% no my main fambra and from the TNE. So me try some send 100 CDs. At the free me Momo account to their bank account from Monday. 100 CD be and you bet me 75 pesos. 75 pesos. You Nasa may transfer 500 CDs. You bet me 3 CDs 75 pesos. 3 CDs 75 pesos. Now, me say yani MTN for we ya buying ye na bekasa. You radio Mahama. Me pasho baby I will be order for some ko ye de. Oye NDC ni panimu ana oye NDC ni grassroots na munyanya MTN for message na ene ye fa akwanya we so aka akire se sei na aba o na muso musei Ghana ni bi NTN ye se hwe na man fa blame ankoma MTN nye hwe MTN onye hwe na emum me say the economic environment MTN of finding itself any the policy direction entina man ne omode sa burden we eba beto Ghana for so ye di kan catch na say NDC aban omoye Robin Peter to pay Paul anso mafa kuntuna se esade levy na ba anso mafa kuntuna se esade die na ba levy na ye dey aba ye catch na Ghana for na me I remember na now the Anko Akufo-Addo 2024 elections oka asembi was say the most consequential decision Ghana for Ekwako Teki the 2024 election. Say yes, I got to abadi ye President Mahama aba. No nene emfaswa ye ni bini. Minim say adewe ya abai. Omo ebeka omo kase pa okroma businessman. Because most of the business people omo transfer omo sika free momo and they go to omo bank direct. Na oye businessman na uti kroma na neme no wo kasa ye ntowade ye eneme no wo kasa okoport se wo koyi nioma kra na chese unya asompo na wodi ayi Ene no kasa ope dollar e de akwa crown nioma. Unya dollar ni bimpo na ade akwa crown nioma. Obi e wo ho a etibi di 2 months na bank ntimi nya na transfer man ukoka bank for say dollar ni ho. And as say yesa de levy abeto so. Ye de levy aba enti se wo send 5 million na. Me see ye beto 375 pesos. Na ehɔ no na obehu se ehyehye. Me de American say wa wo sika bia sende. Say odi be free momo di akwa to bank account. Mesraw. Make sure say obe send it before Monday. And yes sir, after Monday say Kim. O send ya lebisa ube tuya no. Ama mo nsa mo say ekoye. Aban papa aba. Ye nyina yetim. Ezu.
NDC fo nyina mo yen kraman. Mo ba di den yi levi. Mo ya moa. Ya ne ye be kwa ko fa MB before na ba me donyame. O ba gi dum so levi. Ama Ghana fo adasu mu. Na wa san de kwasia betena se o ba gi yi levi. Ade na ma Jimmy NDC fo nkraman. Mo ni twa say June 1st. Obia started ehwe ne wallet so se ni mo sika adwoma ma ba be wi a o yi levi. Mo ya moa na se MB before ya far better than mo. Mundi ni twaba sere se anadwo boja adwoma ma wo be wu na nsia se afa o chiche nkran nyame na atwa oka. Munim so Jimmy ade no me afa akofo ade mo sa ye fa Bawumia class and campus so dwan munim se nyansa ni utima aboa wo ba se ento aba ma sa anye den na me ka cho se magic coffee ma boa me 3 months but ya can to dance bi munim afa yan kwasha fo ne kakra of course wo ba so anu a share no kre no obi a share no kre no Ghana mpani fo Jimmy no especially NDC for wo ba anu a share no kre me to dance bi of course we are you got dustbins, uncountable number of dustbins. From yeah. Abrofon clan a chill wahano. Tell him I'm to dustbin. What did you got shit? To dustbin from, of course, every number now. And me blue BMW in the num. Me pay money moves, baby. And I'm the fire and Kwasia Fonica. Obason washing a friend. So I just say, I told the greatest city on planet Earth, New York City, baby.
Initiatives from the president or the government, but the successive governments have failed us. I can say on authority that we have not been empowered by any political party to embark on this demonstration. We contributed our own money, 20 cities, 30 cities, and we use it to, finance whatever we did. But I want to state that major developmental projects done here in Adan are done mostly by the NPP, government. But we don't vote for them, so we can't blame them much. NDC, we have entrusted our hope into them, and they failed us over and over. This is not a political talk, but it's the reality on the ground. So after this, the market women, the sea erosion, no ambulance in the district, no employment in the district, high utility tariffs like the ECG and the water bills, and so many. We can mention all. Everything has started. There is nothing working in Adam. We are tired. We are tired. Thank you.
Of the day, no, Pragiano, we have things inside, and yeah, Pragia, common Pragia, you. When you saw the Pragiano, didn't you see? Say there are some way equipment. A woman say you didn't panic to Mukrana, and your ordinary one say this is some ball you. My goodness. Why her picture no? Didn't you see the picture? And your ordinary one. Okay. Many who can say there are some hospitals from 8 years under Nanado. Equipment I had check BP craba could pet and was our hospitals no matter. And on a raising concern say health minister and his excellency John Dramani Mahama after equipment.
And you can sit here and say under your 8 years telescope cry yantimi anya day antomani so na minima dry yantimi antobi obia provided ambulance for each constituency. A come out when who constituency be or one and I'm already who be. You sit on a doom FM and say for 8 years. Tell me that they will be a come
for ourselves. And when some of my party people say that when the table stand, they will do the same, they are not playing.
Yes, it's wrong.
They are not playing. It will be escalated because people are writing it. People are noting it. And I started talking about this in 2025. When I said that, I admit, whenever there is a change in government, there were a lot of things, some of these things happen. Can we agree to put a stop to it?
Yes.
And say that enough is enough? Let's begin to halt some of these things. When I said that, some of my NDC friends agreed with me. Some too felt like, hey, we've come to power, we should continue. You think that you go and arrest somebody for speaking, and when the table turns, that person has forgotten about you. They will come after you in multiple fold, and we'll be having the same conversation. I am saying what I am saying today because when the table turns, and somebody in my party is doing it to you, I can still speak because I'm speaking against it now, and I spoke against it then. Why are we doing this to ourselves, Alfred?
Okay.
That we say we have a law that says that nobody is above the law, including the judge. Well, we know in this country when judges took goats and money as bribes and skilled judgment. Have you gone to the magistrate court and the small court in the district before? I was an MC. There were occasions that I went to those courts. You weep when you see how citizens are being treated in those places where there are small lawyers, and some of them don't even have representation. So the reality is that indeed there can be judges that can be political. They are not above the law. If you are a judge and I have a case before you, and I think that you are singling me out and you are trying to use your position to come after me, there is a law that allows me to call you out and even petition and get you removed. So if for whatever reason you think that somebody has said that a certain judge is a political judge, it is not the police that comes to arrest the person and throws the person to jail. I am saying this because, I'm saying this not because I support what the person has said. Hear me well. I am saying that whether you are the president, you are the chief justice, you are whatever it is, when somebody comes after your person or your integrity, the laws are there. It doesn't include police kidnapping me and putting me in jail. It says that I should take you on and let you prove how I became political. And if you fail to do that, the laws will punish you, which if it includes jailing, you are jailed. But the situation where we find ourselves today, that if the thing goes against people in government, then we weaponize it and call it hate speech and peddling falsehood. That is the danger that Miracles, I am worried about, and I think Eduji should also worry about. Now, Alfred, let's look at all the 17 issues. None of them are issues that Miracles will say with my mouth, or would even go into a meeting and tell my party person to say it. But the question is, since when did it become a crime? The things they've said. We're in this country, when Eduji and his party, including senior members of this government, were on the street, the communications officer of the NDC, Sami Jemfi, saying exactly what this lady has said today. In fact, what this lady has said today that she said, Kuna na do mami, eradie kuna na do mami.
And we sang it against
mami, eradie kuna na do mami.
So why is it not a crime? Why?
There is a gentleman who sits, what's his name? There's a gentleman who sits on Y0uth TV also. He said it in plain language that he is surprised that another is not dead. And that God should kill him in a plane crash. So today, if you are showing me,
how should all these be dealt with?
No. So I'm saying that if you are showing me, so if you are showing me these cases, and today you are in government, your conversation shouldn't be that they've done something. The law should. You are hypocrites, because when you are in opposition, similar cases, you spoke against it, and the president today wrote a letter to Akufo-Addo. All the cases are listed in the letter. I'll give it to you. I can give it to you to share.
No, you condemn all these statements. You say these statements, even if they were said by persons within the party, your party, you don't associate with them. How do we address it?
No. Because it's an issue. Let's agree. Let's agree that we have a difference between morality and crime.
Yes.
Absolutely.
I am a Methodist.
Civil wrong.
Okay, I have went to Sunday school, went through. I can disagree with you. I can debate with you. I'll never insult you. It doesn't mean that another person doesn't reserve the right to insult you. That is his business. For some other citizens, they want to insult you.
They do.
The point is, if I insult you, is it a crime? If I say you, the judge, you are political, there's no crime. I'm not supposed to be in jail for even 30 minutes. I'm supposed to be sealed by you.
Yes.
You understand what I'm saying? If I say that the Gauls should kill the president, I would never say that in my life. Never in my life would I say that. But if somebody says that the Gauls should kill the president, it is not a crime.
Oh, I wish you were there.
Or I wish that Eduji is dead. It is not a crime. If Eduji, even for whatever reason, feels slanted, it is not up to the Ghana police
chairman.
To go and bundle the person.
Former NCA board chairman.
Eduji.
Only a member of this government went to complain